The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a tornado warning for southern Dunn County, north central Pepin County, east central Pierce County, until 3:45 p.m. At 3:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Dunn, or 21 miles south of Menominee, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Menominee, Dunn, Boyceville, Elk Mound, Elmwood, Eau Gallie, Plum City, Knapp, Weston, Downsville, Menominee Airport, Cedar Falls, Arkansas, Hoffman Hills Rec Area, and Porcupine. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built building away from windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin: Dunn, Pepin, and Pierce.